Hello, everyone. Okay, so I want to follow up with what you just said about the a bunch of creatives on the app that haven't figured out how to work together yet. So, hello to everyone. You see what the title is. Just to let you know, if you haven't read it all the way, which I'm pretty sure you did, this content is being recorded so that it can be published in the How to Fanbase. So anything that we say, we can share with the rest of the platform. And another thing too, just to let everybody know, I say this all the time, so you're gonna always hear me repeat myself a lot, just because so people are aware. For those who do know and don't know, my intention is to help the app be a better app. This is the reason why I started How to Fanbase, is so that we can have a discussion about our utilization of Fanbase, what we think about it, the things that we're doing that help us as content creators, monetizing our content, so on and so forth. And just for those who may not know what super funnels means, it's basically to enlighten you on how to connect all of your parts together. And what I mean by parts, I'm saying you have a link in the bio, and if you're using like a link page or any other form of link to like a social media site or something like that, you don't realize that the things that you do and how you combine them creates a super funnel, because you're driving traffic to specific things. And sometimes you're driving traffic in a generalized manner. Like, say, if you go to a link page, that's like a bunch of choices, right? And when you say, hey, click the link in my bio, when you get to the page, go to this section, so you're giving people direction when they're doing, like, when they're visiting whatever it is that you're showing. But what I'm doing, my specialty is online marketing, and it's actually digital marketing technology, which is everything that has to do with online marketing. So one of the things that I do is, and all of us do this, but we don't really think of it this way, but we create pathways, and those pathways lead to different things that we want our audience to see. Sometimes people say, oh, I want more followers on Instagram, or I want to get my following up on TikTok, or I want more views to a video, or I want more subscribers to YouTube, so on and so forth. So the whole idea of this How to Fanbase and Super Funnels is to be able to know how to use Fanbase effectively, so that we can make the most out of the app as users and also content creators, and if we're entrepreneurs and business owners, so on and so forth, so that we can drive traffic to our products and services. But also on top of that is so that when we're sharing information, and because we're creative in our own ways, and people share like certain tactics and strategies that they use that helps us, and then therefore by us helping each other, that enables us to be able to do better and make the app better within our spaces that we're using. Show this post some love, subscribe, and don't forget to click the link in the bio. I am Northstar, the $7 entrepreneur.